Hello friends, welcome. So today that is on October 25, 2022. So I have taken few trades. So let us discuss how the trades went. So before speaking about the stocks, let's see how the sector has performed. So the very first stock we'll be discussing from banking sector. So you can see here uh, the sector was onto the sideways. Okay, so it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. So it was in sideways. So so I thought of going for shorting. Okay. So the trade which I have taken was from INDUSInd Ind Bank. So you can notice a bearish candle here, right, at 11:30, and here also 12:30, 1 o'clock. So putting all these candles in mind, so I thought of going for shorting, and in 5 minutes time frame, I have taken an entry, and entry price was at mine 1146, and I have placed my stop loss at 1148. Entry got triggered in a 135 candle, and immediately it hit my stop loss in 140 candle. So after that you can see again it fell. So most of the times this is happening. So let's see. So how the practice goes in future. So this second stock I have taken from a pharma sector. So that is Sun Pharma. So before speaking about the stock, let's see the sector. So the first half of the day it came down and it reversed, right? So I have noticed one thing in Sun Pharma. So while market was making higher highs, while sector was making higher highs, while sector broke this high, so Sun Pharma did not break high. So here it formed a doji candle, inverted a hammer candle. So and the next candle was also a bearish candle. So putting these two candles in mind, so I went for shorting, and my entry price was at 991.50, and I have placed my stop loss at 993.50. So my entry got triggered in a 2-5 candle, and stop loss was at 993.50, right? So I have exited at 990.85. 990.85. So in a 3-5 candle, I have exited my position 990.85. Yeah, in this candle. So that is in 3-5 candle. I have exited my position. So yeah, friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.